How to find journal articles for your assignments. This video will show you how to find journal articles on Find It for your assignments. Start by looking at your assignment and identifying keywords. These are the keywords for this assignment. You may also want to identify any other search terms that could describe each keyword. Before you start searching for articles, sign in to Find It. Choose your login institution and enter your student or staff ID and password. Select Advanced Search for a more focused search. And then Articles. Enter your keywords, one on each line. In this case, social media and sporting events. You can search anywhere in the text, or you can search by author, title or subject. We're going to look for social media appearing in the title. Use the publication date field to restrict your search results to a limited time period. We are looking for articles published in the last 10 years. Then select Search. On your results list, use the filters on the left-hand side to limit your search to peer-reviewed articles. You can also filter by subject, author, language and journal title. Select an article title to get a description of the article. In many cases you'll find a summary of the article contents. Use the pin at the top of the article record to save it. Select the pin at the top of the Find It screen to see articles you have saved. To look at an article, select Download Article to go immediately to the article. Or select Full Text Available if Download Article is not available. And select a link to the journal article homepage. On the article homepage, look for the PDF of the article, which you will usually need to open to see the whole article. If you need further support, get in touch.